Hello, good day. This is Head of Automation Techniques. Once again, we're here at the Mechatronics Laboratory. Today, I'm going to show you the basic difference between a relay logic control versus a programmable logic controller. If you can notice, in the relay logic control, it consists of many relays, timers, and counters. Unlike with the programmable logic controller, this special industrial computer called PLC is a standalone machine. There's no need to use relays, timers. It's actually a standalone machine. Let's see how it works. See, now it's controlling some solenoids, and with those limit switches as an input for the programmable logic controller, it's doing a process or a sequence which I wrote using a TIA Portal version 18. Okay. Again, let's try it. The best thing with this programmable logic controller, with just a few clicks, some changes in your program, you can easily change the sequence of the machine. Unlike with the relay logics, you need to remove all the wires and rewire it again as per the requirements of your sequence. Okay, again, this is a relay logic controller, and this is a programmable logic controller. By the way, it's a Siemens S7 1200. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.